Hello everyone, welcome to EconTel. Today we are going to learn about Flipkart payment system. In this video we are going to talk about how we can download the payment statement and how we can generate the payment invoices and how we can find out transaction wise detailed report. Before begin the video, I would like to request you, if you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe my channel. I regularly post e-commerce and GSTN related videos. So let's start the videos. If you are selling online, you already know this is very hectic to handle the payments, and we are going to talk about payments related. If you are selling on the Flipkart and you are not able to handle your payments, you want to know about how you can manage your payments, how you can download the statements, and how you can generate the payment invoices, and where you will get and or find out detailed transaction details. So this is the right video for you. Watch the video till the end. We are going to cover all the topics related to payment here. So we need to log in on Flipkart seller dashboard. We type Flipkart seller login. So this is the option you need to click on the seller.flipkart.com. It will redirect you to seller your Flipkart seller dashboard. This is your Flipkart seller dashboard where you manage your all the Flipkart seller account. Here you get the lots of options, and likewise listing, inventory, order, payments, growth reports. So you manage your Flipkart seller account through these options. So if you want to know about the payments, so if we hover over the payment, so you get some options here. First option is Flipkart overview and the previous payments. If you want to know about your previous payment, you can click here. You want to know about your transactions, detailed report about transaction, you can check out here. Invoices, statement. So these are the options where you found in the payment option of payment tab. So let's analyze all these options one by one. First we can click on the payment of overview. This is the overview of your payments, your next payment, your last payment, your unbilled orders, or your total outstanding. This is the only overview. Now we move to second option, previous payments. We are exploring the previous payment, and here you find your previous payment which you did get in your account. So here you can check payment date, bank account, NEFT number, balance, account type, payment amount. So here you get these types of details, and you can month-wise explore these. You can check out month-wise in February, January. So all the month-wise detail you can get here. Now we move to our third option, transaction. Move to our invoices section. Here you can this is the invoice section. Here you can download your commission invoices. As I already generate commission invoices, you can check out here. So in the action tab you can download the invoices here. Now we move to statement. This is the statement section, and you can generate the report according to you. You can if you want to generate the report prepaid report only, and if you want the postpaid report only, so you can select one here. You can select the date range here, which month or date you want the report. You can check out. You can select the date range here from here and click on the generate. This type of report you are going to get. Now we were talking about the transactions, all the transaction related detailed transaction. You can check out all the detailed transaction here. For example, your item ID, order ID. If you want to check out how this much amount you get, click on this, and this is the order item summary. You can check here this item ID, this, and shipped from SKU ID, all details here. and view transaction history. You can check all the details here. And now this is your sale amount, refund amount, protection amount, net earning. So all the details you can found here. This is the your detailed transaction report. So this was the payment related system in the Flipkart. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching.